Kitchen outside to Palm Grove Holiday Resort, and I'm joined by none other than Mark from GNS.
Thanks, Robin.
Righto, now this is where I get to hand over the reins straight to you because you are going to show me a recipe today.
I'm going to show you the recipe. I'm going to make you do a bit of work though.
Righto, I'm ready.
Okay.
What are we cooking?
Right, so we're going to make corn fritters and salsa, pineapple salsa. Do you want to start chopping the onion and the chives for the salsa?
Absolutely, I would
Good stuff.
love to do that.
What we'll do is we'll split the work up now.
Okay.
You do the chives, chop the chives up for the salsa.
Yes.
Pass me the bowl, please, and I will start making the mixture for the corn fritters. Right, so we're going to take the flour, we will put it in the bowl, the stock powder.
Just a chicken stock?
Chicken stock powder, 1 tablespoon.
Righto, so you're just going to put the eggs in there
Right.
and give it a bit of a whisk around, I'm guessing.
I am.
Now, Mark, at this point, now that you've got your hands full, I did want to ask you, it's kind of a bit of a stupid question, but let's take things back to basics today.
Right.
What exactly is a chassis?
Okay, so the chassis is the foundation of your caravan. So your caravan needs a good foundation, just like a house. You want a strong, durable, reliable, and a foundation so that when you're on the road, you have no problems.
Right.
That your caravan is going to last.
I already knew that, but I'm glad that now you're up to speed as well. Righto, this pan is nice and hot. What do we have to do to that batter before we get it frying?
So what we have to do is got to add the chives.
Righto, okay.
And I will hand it over to you
Okay.
to put it into the frying pan.
Righto,
It's nice and easy for a caravanning trip.
very easy. Yeah, these
And
are,
hopefully it's going to be tasty as well.
I think it's going to be very, very tasty, especially when we have it in conjunction with our little broom style salsa there.
Absolutely.
Righto, so we've got the avo in there, going to get a bit of onion in there as well.
Last bit for the salsa, I'm going to squeeze a bit of lime juice in.
Righto, fritters are well and truly golden brown.
That looks beautiful. So
Straight on the plate?
Let's plate up. Now, smearing is out, so we're just going to put a bit of salsa on the plate. That looks delicious.
Yes,
Don't know what you think.
yes.
I'm ready to tuck in.
I'm really ready to tuck in. Happy with that?
That's good.
Well, here we are live at the WUDU kitchen, and today that kitchen is at the Rich River Tourist Park. Now, Angie, it's a hot day.
It's a very hot day.
What have you got in store for us?
When it's hot, you kind of feel like we should be healthy and fit. So today we're going to make the WUDU rainbow salad. We've just
salad.
created that today. And it's super simple.
Okay.
Super simple. So we're starting with our rocket
Okay,
and spinach. Throw it all in.
just like that. Now
Yeah,
we've
yeah, yeah.
pre-washed those leaves.
Pre-washed hands as well.
Thank goodness.
Okay. Some lovely golden capsicum.
Yep,
Gorgeous.
very good.
A bit of Tommy from you.
Yeah, I might use this
Cherry
okay?
tomatoes, you go crazy.
Oh.
We love a little bit of crunch, so we've got some almonds.
Yep.
Yes.
Eaters.
Oh yes, that's a fancy word for sunflower seeds. Now try and get it in the bowl, unlike myself who just threw it off the edge.
All right. Am I doing this right?
Yeah.
You just want them
There's
in
no
there.
rules.
Okay.
Get
all
it
right.
in there, girl. A bit of chia, a bit of goodness. The favourite part of this salad that I love the most, and
Yeah.
it's a little bit unexpected, blueberries, and you can do the raspberries.
Okay.
You don't always associate fruit with salad, but
Apart from fruit
Absolutely.
salad.
have a look at how beautiful that's looking. It's like a work of art, Robbie.
Very colourful.
Got to add our little bit of avo on
Oh,
top.
you're going avo. Okay.
And of course, all this is going to go beautifully with what you have next in store.
Well, that's right, Angie, because we couldn't keep it solely healthy. So yeah, I'm bringing a couple of things into the equation. We're going to go fish,
Yes, that's healthy.
but we're going to go battered fish. It was a compromise.
It will. For our dressing, we're going to use some apple cider vinegar, macadamia oil. Here we go. Voila. Ready for your fish. The WUDU rainbow salad.
Woo! Okay,
Now you've got to make your fish.
Are
and
you
it's
ready?
got to look as good as that.
it's going to look as good at that.
Okay, what do we got here?
Well, we've actually just got some flathead tails.
Love them.
Yeah, beautiful,
My favourite.
nice, locally caught, and
Fresh, not too fishy.
exactly right. In this one here, plain flour,
Great.
and then you're literally just going to glug a whole heap of beer in there. Just a bottle is good. And it's about 3/4 cup of flour. So you're going to combine that together.
Good-o. Do we dip them all in now?
Absolutely, we do.
Just throw them all in?
Yep. Anyway, look, we're going to head inside,
Yes.
fry these babies up,
Let's do it.
and have a feast.
Oh, Robbie, I think this has actually come together. Look at your batter. It's golden and perfect.
It looks good, doesn't it?
I think we'll just add a little bit of salt and pepper.
Definitely.
And we must have a little taste. What do you think?
I agree. Let's have a glass of wine, taste of this.
Mmm.